All right, slash 4x4. So by this point, you guys were supposed to have already been seeing some pretty epic videos of this slash going around the racetrack, racing and stuff like that. Like that should have already been a thing. But unfortunately, you haven't seen any of those videos yet, have you? It's not a conspiracy. It's not a secret. It's actually that I took it to the racetrack, practicing with it. Literally 2 laps in, this input gear here between the slipper and the drive shaft shattered. No clue why, shattered. Fortunately, I had a spare, so I put it in, and like literally 2 more laps, shattered again. My guess is that this drive shaft is super bent. But drive shaft is bent. When I did a jump and this compressed it all, it somehow bound that up. So how do you fix that? You fix it with Tekno Big Bone Center drive shaft. You can see the part number there. This has the output cups in it, all that kind of stuff. This is what everybody says if you are going to be running a slash. This is how you make it stand up. So we are going to put it in and see what happens. Okay, so test fitting this, I noticed something that I just wanted to share. It comes with little rubber grommets that I assumed, based on what I've seen other people use them for in the past, go in the end of these diff cups in order to help limit the travel. So I have the spur gear and the slipper clutch assembly already installed back in there, and is that the drive shaft with forward and rear play can basically come all the way out. So having one of these rubber spacers in that front diff cup and probably the rear diff cup also to help limit how much movement it can have in there is probably not going to be a bad idea. So we are definitely going to sneak one of those into the front diff cup before the drive shaft is in there permanently. I've also learned, of course, through this that I didn't actually need to take the whole back of the vehicle off in order to get this on, because this has plenty of room in it and we probably could have wiggled it around without it. So, hey, live and learn. Tekno Driveshaft installed in the Slash. Looking good. So, next time you guys see this, hey, hopefully we'll be out on the racetrack the next time you guys see this, and we'll see how it goes. So if I assembled it wrong, let me know. Give me a comment down below and tell me to go fix it before I go out on the racetrack and break it. That'd be awesome. So anyway, I hope this helps somebody. Thank you guys for watching.